Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to calculate age automatically from a date of birth in Google Sheets. Perfect for HR sheets, student lists, or customer databases. Here we have some sample data. Make sure the date of birth column is formatted as date. Now let's calculate age. Best method. In C1, type age in C2. Enter this formula that you'll be able to find in the video description below. Drag down. What this does. B2 equals date of birth. Today equals current date. Y equals returns full years. This calculates the exact age in years. Ages will update automatically every day. Optional. Age with years plus months. If you want more detail, change the formula to this. You get much more detail with this one. Important. DATEDIF doesn't appear in Google's formula suggestions, but it still works. Just type it exactly as shown. That's it. Automatic age calculation in seconds. The formula is in the description. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more sheet tips.